Hello, hello, hello. I know I'm getting like half cut off, but I'm going to sit and then hopefully it won't be so bad. It's so funny. You move left, you move right, you move whatevs. Okay, so if you have not been with me in a while, make sure, or you don't know who I am, I'm Charlotte, and you are watching Talking with Charlotte, and we are going to do an unboxing today. So if you can do these things, that would be great. You can also shop right up here, and you can go to my YouTube channel, which I am not broadcasting from right now. I am just doing Facebook at the moment. I believe this will be uploaded to my YouTube later. So then definitely hit that bell and subscribe. Please help a girl out. Okay, this is our winter warm-up release. So let's see all the things. All the things, guys. This is all the things. I got all of them. Everything that came out in this release, I got it. Everything you need to make this. And I wish they had a picture on here so that I could like show you. You know what? Let's just slice it open and see what it says. Merry Christmas, Sandy. How are you, my dear? I'm just going to slice it open a little bit because I don't want to lose all the stuff out of it. Let's see. How small of a slice can I make to actually get the instructions out without losing everything? Now, this catalog is only a digital catalog. It is not one of our big catalogs. Okay, so here it is. Right there. And there's pictures, so you can do the front and the back. And it has all those little blocks. These blocks are so stinking cute. They're a lot smaller than I thought they would be. I guess if I would have read the dimensions or something. Not that I even cared because I thought they were cute. So it has love and it has home. And then it has the little shapes. See right here? The little shapes of a heart and a house. It has 4 different paste packs. So you get bright white, candy apple, ocean mist, and shimmer gold. And love says, love is in the air. So there's a little thing that says in the air. And then the other one is home, and there's a welcome to put on the block. It says, oh, and it says also there's a sweet home, and then you forever. So there's all kinds of little things that you can put on there. So see that little transfer right there? All kinds of little things that you can put on your rectangle. That little rectangle right there. That's pretty dang cute. Okay, now let's see if I can get this thing back in here. And it comes with a paintbrush. It comes with trays to put your paste. It comes with the transfer. It comes with the blocks. It comes with the paste. It comes with the little squeegee. So everything you need to build a kit is in this particular kit. Super dang cute. Oh, and there's little square guys to glue on the little house and the heart. Okay, this is not like amazingly going in there, like gonna stay flat or anything. But hey, we got it back in there. All right, I am going to tape that because I do not want to lose it. So we'll just take some painter's tape. And Alright, so the painter's tape is not really working like amazingly with me, but there we go. So that's the first thing. Look at these things. These are so stinking cute. Look, we got mason jars. How cool is that? So I ordered 2 of them because they come 1 a piece, not a set. Okay, but the transfer does come. Oh, evidently I ordered 2 of these. I did not know. Okay. I'm not sure exactly how I did that, but I did it. It's all good. Did I really do that? Or was the all-in part of it? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? It's all good. Okay. So now, I'm going to move this box out of the way so that we can see all the cuteness. Okay, so low battery, and I forgot to plug in my phone. It's been a day, guys. It's been a day. There we go. We're all good. Look at this. P.S. I love you. I love the little typewriter. That is so stinking adorable. Then we have I hate you the least. Oh my gosh, that is kind of hilarious for my cat people. Valentine kisses. February 14th, X's and O's, hugs and kisses. Try and get that glare out of there. All you need is love. Love makes a family. Oh, I love the minis. The minis you can do so many things with. In fact, if you saw my one video the other day, I just took some Dollar Tree ornaments and put some little minis on them and zhuzhed them up. This one says, this is a heart and flowers. This one says, chocolate is my Valentine, be mine. True love. And I like the little letter, that's cute. Hug me. We've got crazy little thing called love. You and me. Love is in the air. Did you know love is in the air that was our theme for prom when Chris and I went to prom. Oh, we got, that's an interesting one. Oh, Tay. That was a little interesting. Sweet. And look, the truck. I like the truck full of the hearts. That's cute. Okay. These are awesome. Look at that. Bloom and grow and follow your heart. To go on our jars, our mason jars. Isn't that so cool? Love it. So these will stand up on their own. And so you can put one on the front, one on the back. And you can even put any A-size transfer. Any A-size transfer. So these are our A-size transfers here. So you would want it to be an up and down transfer, not a horizontal, a vertical. So you could totally put this one on there. Isn't that cute? Or like maybe one of our kitchen sayings or coffee sayings or something, who knows. Hey, Fame. Look at this, Fame. Oh my goodness. Look. Isn't that stinking cute? We have a little mini typewriter now. And for the cat people. I guess I have to turn it this way. It says, I hate you the least. With a cat. So funny. So funny. In the little mason jar. I love this little mason jar. It's so cute. Okay. Then we have I love you. Be mine. Love. I like that love. Look at it. It's got like all this filigree in the background. That's really cute. And then, hello, Valentine. Let your heart be glad. That's cute. And then we got these hearts for a background that you can put on anything or on a big pillow or whatever. So that's what we got. This is, I love these. These go on our rectangles. And what I'm wondering, oh look, it looks like a little newsprint on the back of this heart. That's cute. I love little details like that. So what I want to do is I want to take the rectangles and I think I'm going to cut out a round that will fit with the rectangles and then put like little magnets on the back so that I can just swap out with all these little rectangle ones so that I can just like have different ones all the time. I think that would be really fun. So that is the winter warm-up. That is all the things that are in the catalog of the winter warm-up. Isn't that pretty cool? I think it's pretty cool. But, so how is everybody set for Christmas? Are you guys finished? Are you finished? I don't know why I have 10 days because we know that it's not 10 days. We know it's not 10 days. What do we have? 2? 3? 3 days? My grandson's birthday is on Christmas Eve. Yeah, I know. This is fall. I know it says fall because I haven't replaced it. Every time I replace something, I end up, it gets moved. How many days is there till Christmas? 2? What is today? 22nd? So 23rd, 24th, 25th, 3. Yeah, so I still have orders to fill. I'm still filling orders. I have a couple more orders to do. Jordan and I are going to be working on some stuff tonight. To get some stuff done tonight. And then, Caitlin and I are going to work on some stuff tomorrow and do some more baking. That's my niece. And then my other niece, Morgan, and I are going to be frosting cookies. She doesn't know this yet, but because she's with me on Christmas Eve. And then we're going to be doing all the cooking and all the fun stuff. So yeah, and then she'll be here with me Christmas Day. So maybe we'll go live Christmas Day and do a craft. I think she would like that. I think she'd like that. But yeah, so that is our thing. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. But this is so stinking cute with these little blocks. That is so cute. Look at all that. With the little blocks. So maybe maybe her and I will make a wreath to do this. That might be fun. That might be a lot of fun. Hey, Tracy, how are you? Yeah, we've been doing just a quick unboxing of what came in. So I'll show you guys real quick one more time. We'll just run through it one more time. So we got this kit. This is a great little kit that has everything you need. And then we got new mason jar cutouts. Super stinking cute. And then these transfers. Super adorbs. Yes, everything is good with me. This one is great for pillows or just backgrounds on anything. And then we have I Hate You the Least with these cats. P.S. I Love You. Valentine Kisses. These are the ones that go on the jars, which I think are just so stinking cute. I can't wait to do those. We have our Valentine minis. So much fun. Love makes a family. All you need is love. And the February 14th X's and O's, hugs and kisses. So that is our winter warm-up. So I can't wait to craft with some of these. Maybe Christmas Day we'll do it. You couldn't find my live before. It's always on my business page. Always on my business page. And I haven't, and then I've just been posting onto YouTube because I need my IT guy to come over here and help me. I know, look at my nails are still looking great. I get my nails by Tracy over here at Pampered Nails. See, look, aren't they looking wonderful? Yours are naked again? Man, no. I go until they are like donezo because I'm just not even good. Yeah, no, I have so much, what the heck? So much going on, so much going on. I'm still working on orders. I will finish tumblers, t-shirts, and more sublimating stuff. And if I do any inking or anything, then I will do probably a fast video. If I do any inking. I'm not sure if I'm doing inking. Maybe. Yeah. So, that is me, and that is what I'm doing. So remember, definitely go on my YouTube, subscribe, hit the bell. Definitely do all these wonderful things. You can shop right up here and see everything, all the goodies, all the time. And I love you all. Merry Christmas if I'm not back on before Christmas. I think my niece will talk me into coming on Christmas though. And I will catch you guys all on the next video. Merry Christmas!